In the world of scrap metal processing, equipment value and capability are essential to a profitable business, and the Sierra 500 delivers on both counts. A 500-ton shear, baler, and logger that's sized perfectly for cost-conscious operators. With the capacity to make short work out of mountains of scrap metal and long-term reliability built in, the Sierra 500 is the natural choice for many scrap businesses. The 500's reliability starts from the ground up. A rugged self-frame construction design adds to the 500's efficiency and longevity and allows for greater power to be applied to the working surfaces. This is definitely a solid machine. Sierra's extensive field experience influences the design elements on the 500. Notice how the door hinges on the 500 are protected from the load during the operational cycles. The folding box is almost 20 feet long, allowing for a substantial load capacity for each compression cycle. The large curved door provides for an ample target area when loading and features powerful short-stroke rams that greatly reduce the time it takes to prepare a load for compression. As a shear, the 500 offers surprising strength, cutting through a wide variety of materials found in scrap operations. HMS number 1. Plate and structural. And rebar with 500 tons of force. Sizing of materials is a simple task for the 500. Here's an unedited shot of exactly how long it takes for the short-stroke rams to quickly size and log this load of scrap. Speed is everything in the scrapyard, and the Sierra 500 makes you money on every cycle. The compression cycle boasts a main compression cylinder force of over 160 tons. Ample power for most any scrap metal in your yard. The 500 makes logs with an average density of between 25 and 35 pounds per cubic foot. Compare these times and weights with any competing machine. We think you'll be surprised. And during baling cycles, the 500 will achieve bales with an average density of between 75 and 90 pounds per cubic foot. These kinds of densities translate into money when you can go straight to the steel mill with your processed scrap. The 500 is easy to operate as well. Employee training times are short, and the innovative automatic cycle features of the 500 allow the operator to concentrate on productivity instead of repetitive operational commands. This productivity-enhancing procedure allows for loading of the 500 during the compression cycle, effectively doubling the production capacity of the device. All the operations of the 500 are controlled from this comfortable cab, sealed from the elements. From here, the operator enjoys unparalleled visibility and ergonomics. The 500 is designed for completely safe, one-person operation with all the controls centrally located, clearly labeled, and easy to use during prolonged operation. The 500 was designed with easy field level maintenance in mind, as you can see here with the hydraulics pack. Every component is easily accessible. All sight gauges are easily visible. And filters and fluid reservoirs are right where they should be, available to the operator. Only Rexroth hydraulic components are used to maximize productivity and minimize downtime. Most of these components are standardized across the Sierra line, making it easy to get up and running again should a problem occur. Productivity is an integral design feature of every Sierra 500. For example, an innovative auto-lube system reduces the wear of the shear head and pre-compression guides, minimizing costly maintenance efforts. Even the sizer box is thickly lined with a special Hardox 400 plate, a more abrasive-resistant steel than simple T1 liners. These liners will hold up for many more cycles, allowing for more productivity and less downtime.
The 500's allowed us to upgrade a lot of our material, whereas before we were having to send it as light iron to a shredder, and now we're able to sell it directly to a mill and get the additional revenue that would generate. We've been allowed to be more caught up on our production. Before we had a huge backlog of material. It seemed like always had a backlog of material, and with the installation of the shear, it allowed us to quickly go through that backlog, and we're caught up now. We just like to bring material in, cut it up, and have it out. So it's improved our cash flow, it's improved our production, it's improved our morale of our people because they're not looking anymore at this huge backlog that they'd have to deal with.
For performance and value, the 500 is hard to beat. Check out the standard features on the 500 that are usually options on competitive machines like the preload table, pre-compression, soft start electrics, automatic shearing, baling and logging cycles, automatic lubing, PLC controls, and free diagnostic services for the life of the machine. Plus, installation, assembly, and training is included in the standard price of the Sierra 500. Value and capability. Hallmark virtues of the Sierra 500. Contact your Sierra representative today and turn your scrap into dollars.